Hello, scrappers. Got a little load. I know I'm way behind on videos. Been busy doing yard work and everything else. Went out and picked up this little load today. Of course, he said he had a couple bikes, a couple push mowers, and a dryer. Turned out one bike. Then he had a grill. I said, want to get that on there? I said, I guess, if you think it'll fit. Little, all aluminum, except the screws. I gotta get them out of there. Part of an old workbench. And a couple of stainless steel. I checked this one with a magnet, it doesn't stick. Of course, they only go down so far, so I guess they're kind of a beverage cooler, iced tea maybe. So, clean them up, throw them in the stainless steel. And then I got another little part of a chair, looks like metal chair, so not a whole lot, but a little bit. But I've been staying pretty busy with barrels. I went out Monday, today's Wednesday. And I brought this load in Monday, 45 on the trailer and then 6 open tops in the back of the truck bed. So this afternoon when I get done running, I'm gonna cut the tops out of, I think about 10 of those, and get them draining, and then tomorrow I'll finish them up. But the barrel's been doing pretty good. Just this month alone, I think I've broke 600 already. $600. So staying busy with them. I had a guy message me this morning. He messaged me on both ads, on the burn barrel ad and on the open top ad. But he said he wanted the open tops. Asked him how many he wanted. He said 100. They put LOL. I thought, oh, man, at $15 a piece. If I didn't discount them, that'd be, $1,500. So that'd be nice. But I only have 20 of them at this time. So, but still, if he buys all 20 of them, that's still 300 bucks. So, yeah. I told him when I get done with my running this afternoon, I'll message him and let him know I'm home, and he can come pick them up today or he said today or tomorrow. So we'll see. You can see I got a few in here draining. 4 draining into, well, 3 draining into other drums and 1 draining into the bucket. These are the B component. The red ones are the A component. And I got 4 lined up there, so I'm going to cut 4 tops, 4 of them out there and get them draining there. And then I'll put 2 against this door, 2 against that door, and then 2 about where the ramps are. 1 draining into 1. So that'll give me 10 barrels to cut. And the first row there's 8, so that'll be 2 out of the other. So that would leave 4 red ones and 3 white ones. So. But I thought I'd better do a video and kind of give you guys an update what's going on. I've been picking a few cucumbers and getting a few cherry tomatoes. Apparently that one tomato plant's cherry tomato. I didn't buy any cherry tomatoes plants, so figure that one out. But these bins are really coming in handy. Throwing all these lids in here. So, in this one I got a bunch of lids and some other junk. So, got a little bit there cleaning up my daughter's yard sale stuff out in the Circle Drive. So, staying busy. But for this heat, I just come out here and work 20-30 minutes and go in and cool off. Come out and work a little bit, go in and cool off. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Picking up trash out there. I think they're talking later in the week or early next week, 100-degree temperatures. So you can see I got some nice shade here right now. So hopefully when I get back this afternoon, I'll still have some shade while I do those 10 barrels. It won't take long. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to thank you all for stopping by, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So you guys take care and happy scrapping. Bye bye.